Hello everyone. So today we are going to see this question, that is patients with the condition in the Leetcode. So here what you have to do, write a SQL query to report the patient ID, patient name, all the conditions of the patient who have type 1 diabetes. And here the condition is type 1 diabetes is always start with the this prefix DIAB1, right? So we have to return the result table in any order. The query result format is in the following example. So here we go. Patient ID, patient name and condition we have given, and the output you can see that this. So here what is the condition? The type 1 diabetes always start with the DIAB1 prefix. So here we can see here it is starting with DIAB1. So result, in the result it is included. And also you can see that here is also starting, so it is also included, but here DIAB, here there is no 1, so that's why it will be not included. So here DIAB1 start with here you can see DIAB1 start with here, so it must start with DIAB1, right? So here I have already written the query. So we have to select all the columns, so that's why I written here select star from the which table, patient table, and here is the condition. So it must start with this, otherwise it should contain this, and make sure that here you first of all you should give the space. So let us see why I have written this. So first condition is it will be start with the this, right? And next is it can be in the after this acne, after this whatever disease is there, you will find that there is space and DIAB1. So that's why I written this, it should contain this space and this, that means it will be start here. So if I go to the table, here yes, here you can see in the conditions it will be either will be here at the starting, otherwise it will be at the second place, right? You can see that with the space and this, so that's why so I have written this. So you might be thinking why we have taken here a space. If we take here without space, then what will happen? This condition will be like ACNE and DIAB 100. But in this condition you see that there is no starting. Here it will be start from by here will be space and it is starting from here. There will be no space here, so we can't take this, right? So here you in the question you find that it always start with the DIAB1. So if we replace this, if we delete this space, that will be not taken in the answer. Why? Because it is not starting with DIAB1. So for that condition I have taken here a space. So if it is in the condition after this, it should be have first space, so that's why I have taken here a space. And this condition is for if it is starting from here, and this condition is for after this acne it should be start. So that is why I have written this or in these two condition. First it should be start with either with this, otherwise after space it should be there. So now let me delete the explanation and let us run this code. Here we will get error. Why? Because here I have written query. Now it should run the code. Here you can see success, submit. Here we go. So this is the way we can write a query for patient with the condition.